Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create an Instagram recap 2022. So Instagram has recently added a new feature in which we can just create our whole year recap in a single video in a form of reels. So how we can do this basically? So for that you have to just go to the Instagram reel option which is in the center of all the icons on the bottom. Once you are over here, you have to just click on the camera icon on the right hand side top. And from over here you have to just go to templates, and in templates you have to choose any template which you want. I'm just choosing first one, and here you have to just add a media, like I'm just going to add one over here, and you have to click on next, and after that you again have to click on next, and you can see that your recap is here. In order to, you can just edit the clip if you want, but if you don't, you can just simply go to next again, and then if you just want to share it as a reel, you have to just click on that. If you just want to share it with a particular person, or as you can see over here, anything which you want to add it to this particular your recap, you can do it. And after that you have to click on next again, and you click on share. Once you click on share, it will be just shared to your ID, and you can see a share. You can see over here that it's been just shared. Just you can see here that your Instagram recap is being just added to your profile over here. You can see it. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.